Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriology. In this video, we will be showing you some delicious and nutritious lunch ideas that are perfect for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first healthy lunch idea is a grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is an excellent source of protein, while the salad greens provide fiber and essential nutrients. To make this salad, simply grill some chicken breast, chop it up and toss it with your favorite greens like spinach, kale, etc. Top it off with some sliced almonds, crumbled feta cheese and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Our second lunch idea is a quinoa bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. It is also high in fiber and antioxidants. To make a quinoa bowl, cook some quinoa and mix it with your favorite veggies like roasted sweet potatoes, avocado, etc. Some grilled chicken or tofu for extra protein and flavor. Our third healthy lunch idea is a hummus wrap. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein and it is also high in fiber and healthy fats. To make a hummus wrap, spread some hummus on a whole grain tortilla and top it with sliced veggies like cucumbers, carrots and bell peppers. You can also add some grilled chicken or tofu for extra protein. Our fourth lunch idea is a lentil soup. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and they are also high in fiber and iron. To make a lentil soup, saute some onions, carrots and celery in a pot, then add some lentils, vegetable broth and your favorite spices like cumin, paprika and turmeric. Let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the lentils are cooked through and enjoy. Our fifth and final lunch idea is a turkey and veggie wrap. Turkey is a great source of lean protein and it is also low in fat and calories. To make a turkey and veggie wrap, spread some hummus on a whole grain tortilla and top it with sliced turkey breast, sliced veggies like bell peppers and cucumbers and some avocado. Roll it up and enjoy. There you have it, 5 healthy lunch ideas that are perfect for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. These meals are all easy to make, delicious and packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. So next time you are looking for a healthy lunch option, give one of these ideas a try. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Toodles!